Hey guys, so my animal is the Komodo Dragon. A little bit about it. Their home is located in an island called Komodo Island. It's in Indonesia. They're also found in Rinca, Padar, Flores, Gili de Sami, and other nearby islands. So there are limited resources on the island, but it's an advantage for these reptiles since they require lower energy than mammals. It'll allow them to be the top predator. Their environment also lets them evolve into a larger size, which is an advantage for hunting. They are a solitary social network. Their umal is the olfactory system. They use their long forked tongues to sample the air. When they make contact with the Jacobson's organ, they detect prey by recognizing airborne molecules, and they use their tongue tip movement to detect where the prey is. They use clinokinesis and chemotaxis, as shown here. They use the side-to-side motion of the head when they move, and they move toward a chemical stimuli. So in response to chemical gradients, they move toward their hunting source. So if the prey is farther away, they use a more side-to-side motion of the head. When the prey is nearby, they still use a side-to-side motion of the head, but in a more straight direction. What if the planet was warmed by 5 degrees Celsius? So they're already vulnerable enough. They are cold-blooded reptiles, so global warming will cause habitat destruction. With impact of sea level rising, their habitat and prey availability will decline, which may cause them to become extinct. Scientific question and hypothesis. What happens to the movement and direction of the side-to-side motion of a Komodo dragon's head if ambient environmental temperatures are low? So my hypothesis, the Komodo dragon will be in a critical condition, their heart rate will decrease, and their movements will become sluggish. So low survival rate. This is an ultimate question. This is my ethogram. I'm going to be observing foraging, basking, cover, alert, and locomotion behaviors. Foraging being them walking side to side, motion of the head toward a positive stimuli. Basking, they're going to bask in a sun either on a rock or direct sunlight to cool off. Alert is when they're in a stationary position where their head is elevated and eyes are open. Locomotion is them moving around, either walking or running. Sampling. I'm going to be using focal sampling and instantaneous scan sampling in order to make my observational data better. No assumptions are going to be made, and I will make sure to record the same behavior more than once for accuracy. And this is some of my works cited. And that's it. Thank you.